Hello everyone. This is the new product review. Chirouet brings you Patek Philippe's 5164. This style is not a new product. As early as in 2017, we have reviewed it for you, but this newly launched 564 has a new color added. This denim blue, which has been newly launched in recent years. The most important point is that this watch has made great progress in functionality. So let me introduce it to you again. First of all, this is a multifunctional, a watch with a second time zone. You can think of it this way: if the regular 5167 Thunderbolt is compared to the Rolex Submariner, then this one, it's the Rolex GMT Master 2. It is equipped with a second time zone display, and the overall appearance, or its appearance, is actually higher than that of the 567, just like the three-hand Nautilus and the multifunctional. Many people prefer the 5712 because the dial is relatively more complicated, which can greatly improve its appearance. Let's take a look. Take this watch as an example. It's solid pointers, hour, minute, and the second hand. Isn't there a hollow needle here? This needle is the pointer for the second time zone. You can also think of it as a GMT pointer. It can display the second time zone, and the most important advantage is that, please pay attention. Let's zoom in and take a closer look. Its dial. There is a local and a home. The word home represents your local time, which is your hometown time. The local time is the time in your city. It can not only show day and night. Please pay attention. If the box inside is white, it shows daytime. If this place shows blue, it's night. 4 or 5 years ago, the 5164 watch, these functions could not be realized. Its GMT pointer and minute hand could only achieve a fixed angle, and kept moving there, and both buttons are useless. Now, let's pay attention to these two buttons. These two buttons are actually empty controls to quickly adjust the hour hand. Let me demonstrate it for you. Just press it like this. It can be adjusted quickly. And look at the date after fast adjustment. After the quick adjustment, the date will also change synchronously. See? And it can also be adjusted in reverse. It's all okay. This function didn't exist a few years ago. This is the first point. The second point, I believe everyone must notice that the English words home and local, the small grid next to the color of this small grid will also change. It can also be synchronized to show whether it's daytime or nighttime. So in terms of functionality, has made great progress. This watch can be said that, from the front, all its functions have all been realized. Then, when it comes to the thickness of the side, is a pity. The measured thickness of the watch is 12 mm. But the genuine one is 10.5 mm, so it's about 1.5 mm thicker. There is no way to achieve this relatively complex function. But without a monolithic movement, we can only sacrifice thickness to make a sandwich machine. The movement is also the most inferior in terms of simulation, is the worst. The simulation degree of the movement can be ignored, but the function can be realized. It depends on your personal preference, but there is no good way. The movement is still quite fake. As for the strap, is matched with a tape. The overall touch of the strap is not bad. And the watch buckle are all new watch buckles. The 5164A is the same as the genuine one, is made of steel. For this denim blue one, the color is actually quite good, and it's pretty, but the only drawback is the genuine one is platinum, so there will be a certain difference in weight. So, overall, this watch as a whole, it's actually very good looking, especially when you wear it, whether it's comfort or in terms of dressing, it's all very good. However, since it doesn't have a monolithic movement and the thickness of the side is relatively thick, so it can't be regarded as a very recommended simulation watch. But overall, the effect is not bad, on the premise of functional improvement. The price hasn't changed much. It's still relatively recommended. If you think the 5167 three-handle grenade is too monotonous, you can refer to this 5164